And Kyle, I know the drought has been an issue for us here in North Texas. We're all hoping for some rain, farmers, ranchers, everybody. Are we going to get it anytime soon?
I do have some good rain in the forecast as we head through the upcoming week. It's not going to get us out of the drought, though. I mean, we need multiple rounds of widespread soaking rain to really get us out of the drought, fill up all those local lakes. And unfortunately, I don't have that in the forecast just yet, but I do have maybe our best chance for rain that we've had in quite a while, so we'll gladly take that. But yeah, here's the current situation here in North Texas. All of North Texas under some sort of drought classification. Pretty much all of the DFW area under what we call that extreme drought. That's there's a scale of 1 to 4 for drought. Extreme's kind of a 3 out of 4. The 4 out of 4 are the worst that it gets. That shows up once you head down into central Texas, kind of south of Hamilton, south of Waco. But this red shade, that's what we call extreme drought. Almost all of DFW under that, and most of North Texas as well. Kind of the best areas, at least the best of the drought, if you want to put it that way. Eastern North Texas, where there was 2+ inches of rain that fell this past week in those locations. So kind of from Athens to Canton to eastern Hunt County up toward kind of the Sulphur Springs area doing a little bit better, and then far western North Texas doing a little bit better as well. But everybody else in mostly that severe to extreme drought across the area. Now here's what's headed our way through the upcoming week. Hopefully about 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area. Some places may see a little lower totals than that. Some places could end up with maybe a little bit higher totals than that. Looks like kind of the window for most of this will be Wednesday evening and into Wednesday night. We'll talk more about the timing coming up in just a second. In the meantime, it's a pleasant start to the day. It's 63 out on the campus of UNT in Denton. And then Dallas sitting at 72 this morning with plenty of sunshine out there at the moment. And all that sunshine is going to lead to a very warm afternoon. Highs in the 90s once again. Not record highs, but about 10 degrees above normal for this time of the year. Low 90s for most of you. We may have some mid to high level clouds try and move in a little bit later on today, but the sun will easily get through those and warm us up into the 90s this afternoon. See a little cloud cover showing up across western North Texas, and some of that may spread into the rest of North Texas as we head through the day today. But we're not going to get any rain out of those clouds. Any showers or storms stay well across far western North Texas today, and that's also where the rain will stay as we head through the day tomorrow. Some good rain may be falling from kind of the Midland to Lubbock to Amarillo area tomorrow. On Tuesday, there may be a few showers or storms that try and make a run into western North Texas, but almost all of North Texas will stay dry on Tuesday. But watch what happens as we head into Wednesday. Wednesday starts off dry, but we'll start to see some showers and storms maybe move in from Oklahoma or kind of develop across North Texas as this front gets a little closer to us. So kind of later in the day on Wednesday, I have a 70% coverage. Then Wednesday night and into early Thursday might be kind of the best window for some showers and storms out there, around an 80% coverage. A little lingering rain possible during the morning hours on Thursday, maybe drying out a little bit Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, so around a 60% coverage. And Friday, it looks like most of the activity will stay south of here. Right now, I don't have any rain chances for Friday, but if that front it moves in a little bit slower, if a disturbance passes overhead, it's not impossible that there might be a little rain around on Friday, but right now I'm going to keep us dry. But everybody will be cooler. Look at this. We go from the 90s the early part of the week to maybe the 70s to around 80 by the end of the week. Our first real true fall cold front on the way. 79 Thursday, 80 Friday, 77 next Saturday. This upcoming weekend will be our first real nice fall weekend. Morning lows in the upper 50s to low 60s. Those mornings will be the coolest mornings we've seen so far this season. And even as we warm back into the 80s next week, it's not like we warm up close to 90 again. Highs should stay in the low to mid 80s through that following week.